All right, welcome back. On this video here, I'm going to show you something really exciting. All right. Well, I'm going to give you an introduction to a tool called PHPmyadmin. It's going to allow us to manage databases, create them, delete them, edit them, do many things with it. All right. But the most importantly is that we are getting into databases. Databases is a really exciting topic. All right. So the first thing that I want you to do is open your browser. I'm going to show you how to go here by manually localhost / phpmyadmin. Click enter, and this is going to take you to the tool here. And as you can see, we have many different options here. All right, and you're going to give you a couple. I'm going to give you a little tour here about the options, but here just know that you will have all the databases here. These are default databases. All right, don't touch any of these. Um, a little more advanced than the what I'm showing you. So we don't need to really go into this. So here, when you create a database through here, so you put the name of the database and you click create, your database is going to show here and it's going to show here on the left side. We can type in the command manually if we wanted to create a database. So we can say create database user, and it will create it for us when we click go. If you know SQL, we can check the status of network traffic and all that great stuff right here. We have more. It's a tool. It has a bunch of information here. This would be another course on its own. All right. If this course has, I don't know how many lectures already, this would be a course as with as much lecture or more. All right. So databases are a totally different animal, right? But we're gonna touch on them on this course here a little bit. All right. So here you can check the users of the databases. It's gonna have some default users with some all privileges. All right, we can export databases here. So just in case you have a database, you can export it right here. So when you select your database, you can go to the export and it's gonna select that database automatically. It's gonna tell you we are exporting this database here. You're gonna click, you're gonna get the file in the .sql format, and then you can import it, all right, to another database. Right? So for example, you create a database here called database 1, right? You do some stuff to create some tables inside, do some information, and all of a sudden you want to replicate that somewhere else, or you want to back it up or something, whatever. You make another database called database 2. You select database 2 and you go to import. Well, first you select the database 1 and you export it. So you got the file in your computer called, database1.sql. Then you select the other database, database 2, and you go to import. And here you will import it. You choose the file, and then once the file is here, then you can click go, and then you will import all that data from database 1 to the database 2. Really awesome. You can check the settings of this tool here, features, queries, and all that great stuff. Replication, variables. These are a little bit more advanced than what we are doing here, but just know that this information is here. What we're going to be using is this database tab right here, and that's about it. And we're going to be probably using users to create users, but we're going to create a database. We're going to create a couple tables inside, because what we're going to be doing in the next tutorial, well, I'll let you know in the next tutorial, on the next video, what we're going to be doing. But on this video here, I just gave you an introduction of PHPmyadmin, and now you know your way around. And on the next video, we're going to build on that. All right. So hopefully you will enjoy this little part of MySQL, because we're going to be creating a MySQL database, right? And it's going to be awesome. All right. So anyway, I see you on the next lecture, and take care.